Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to transfer CamScanner documents to other scanning app step by step in the simplest way possible. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the CamScanner app. Make sure you've updated to the latest version for the best features and smooth performance. Step 2. In the menu, locate the camera icon at the bottom and click on it. This will open your camera inside the app, ready to capture documents. Step 3. Now position your camera over the document and take a clear photo. This image will be used to create a PDF. Step 4. After capturing the photo, go to the crop menu. Manually adjust the corners to perfectly fit your document, and then apply a filter if needed to enhance the quality of the PDF. Step 5. After cropping and filtering, tap on the checkmark icon to confirm. To add more pages to the PDF, select the Add button. Then choose Batch Mode, and continue positioning your camera and capturing photos one by one. Step 6. Once you've added all pages, select the Complete option. To make any final edits, go to the Edit menu and manually adjust anything you need, like brightness or contrast. Step 7. Now, it's time to name your file. Go to the top section where the file name is shown, tap on it, and type in the name you want, then hit Save. Step 8. All is done. To transfer CamScanner documents to another scanning app, simply select the Share option at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several sharing options. Choose the one like Share as PDF. Then scroll through the available apps and select your desired scanner app. And then follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be able to transfer your file with ease. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.